This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Danielle Logue. Beautiful move-in ready 3-bed/2.5 bath home. Open floor plan, fenced yard, cover front porch, granite countertops in kitchen and bathrooms, neutral colors throughout, vinyl plank flooring, some new appliances, including refrigerator which stays, and a 2019 roof are just a few of the great assets of this home. Located close to shopping, restaurants, Nascar Training Institute and easy access to I-77, Highway 21 and 150. Large bonus room has endless possibilities. Neighborhood has gated RV/boat storage, basketball court, covered picnic area and a soccer field. For more information, review the details below.